Hello guys, today I'm making lamb curry. That is my onions, that is my garlic, ginger and green pepper blended, that is my all the cumin, all the curry powder, masala, mace, tumeric, name them, my dry chili pepper, my spices, that is the knor to make it look have a taste. Those are the spices: curry leaf, coriander seed, coriander leaf, all of them is here, and the puree tomato and my meat. So let's crack on, start cooking. Now putting the meat. I like bone, so I'm gonna be chewing the bone. That's why I got some crack in my teeth last time, because I was chewing this bone, So that is the meat. Then I'm gonna put my green chili, garlic, ginger in there. Banging there, I'm gonna be frying. Guys, thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. Thank you for all my genuine friends who have watched my video, subscribe. I went back to their channel and subscribe as well. Thank you for all your support, for your great support. I can't believe that within a couple of days I've reached like 200 and have subscribed for me. I've subscribed to them. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. You guys are great people. One family supporting each other, Let's cover it to cook. It cook quicker. The heat gathers the heat when you cover it. So guys, hope you all are keeping safe. My new family, my new member family, All I got on my curry is coriander seed, mustard seed. They are all in there, going in there today. Turmeric, curry leaf, cumin seed is going in there. Gram mace. Gram mace is like a nutmeg. Caraway seed is going in there for my curry. Graham masala is going in there. Fenugreek seed leaves is going in there, and coriander leaf is going in there to give that curry taste, to get that curry taste. So I'm gonna put in my onions. Frying, to keep frying there together. I've got loads of subscribers, loads of friends from all over the world. Singapore, China, Australia, Canada, America, all over, everywhere. Jamaica, Africa, South Africa, everywhere. Got new friends. Thank you for your support. You guys are fantastic. You guys are great. You guys are creative in what you know best, because it's good to do what you know best. Do what you got knowledge of. Whatever you come to YouTube to create, do it. Everybody has different gift, different talents, and we learn from each other every day as well. So guys, thank you so much. So I'm gonna tip in a little bit of all this curry gbogbo inside, all the spices for the curry is going in there. you know. Then this is my chicken cubes, knor cube, Maggi cube, curry powder, and the chili powder is in there as well. I put in chili powder. This is my chili powder. To give it that color, that colorful taste, that colorful, to make it look colorful, you know. Then this is my fresh coriander. I'm gonna tip in here. That will be the last when it is finally cooked. That will be the last. I'm gonna put in my tomato puree. Tip in my tomatoes. Bam, 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 bam. So I'm gonna put in the rest of that one is the curry leaf in there. That is the curry leaf. Then put in the rest, gram masala, coriander leaf, coriander seed, all the spices in there. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of cover, tomatoes to cook. That one over there is just the potato. I'm not eating potato. It's my better half. He wants potato to eat with it. I'm gonna have mine with either with boiled rice, or I have already cooked grains, focused wheat grains. So I try to, to cut down my rice intake because it's high in carbohydrate. It's very high in starch. So, anything high in carbohydrate, we need to cut it down. Too much of carbohydrate in the body, you need to burn them. You need to do a lot of exercise to burn the fat away, because these days the things we eat that tells in our body, that's can cause a problem. I've learned to use this to open this to cook now, even in the oven, because this pot, this aluminum casserole pot, is very hot, like our native pot we use back home. They are great in cooking. So guys, this is my curry. You can use anything to cook curry: fish curry, prawn curry, chicken, or any meat at all of your choice. Any meat of your choice you can use to cook your curry. Any meat of your choice use to cook your curry. This one is called mutton. It's like lamb meat. see, you never see me mention salt. I'm not a fan of salt because instead of using salt, guys, reduce your salt intake. The amount of salt you eat, be careful. Go and check the how many grams of salt an adult supposed to consume in a day. Follow the guidelines. You see, the food is already salty, and I have a salty tongue as well. My tongue is very salty. So guys, I'm gonna tip in my fresh coriander leaf. That's my fresh. That gives it that flavor, that that wow flavor, that wow taste. When you are eating it with rice, you can eat this with pita bread, naan bread, anything of your choice you want to eat with it. You can have it with it. You can eat it with rice. You can eat it with boiled yam, fried yam, even chips. You know, just sit down there and enjoy it. You know. That is my curry. It's cooking. It's bubbling. It's saying something to me which I'm not really interested to listen to him, right? It's telling me something, you know. You know your cooking can talk sometimes. They talk to you if you have that inner ear to hear what they are saying to you. You know, you can hear them. You know, they can hear you. They can speak to you. Look at it. Look at the color. Look, guys. Just look at. Wow. 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 I love cooking, you know. I love cooking. Like I said before, it's my passion to cook anything. I am creative with food. Likewise, all my YouTubers friends too, they are creative in their own way. Oh my God, some can cook. The way they create their cooking, the way they mix their ingredients, they combine the ingredients together is wow. Honestly speaking, it's wow. So guys, keep subscribing, leave your comments, keep coming to my house to dance, keep coming to my house to drop the parcel, drop your gift, drop your flower, drop your kisses, and I will get back to you. I will definitely return back to you guys, okay? Keep safe and take care and bye. Cheerios. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.